Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Lean Media and the Lean Media video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon KDP, how to order author copies for a paperback edition of a book that you've created. So basically this is KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. This is the dashboard that authors and publishers will see if they're using the service. And you want to go to Bookshelf. You'll see something like this. This shows all the books that I have. And here's the idea. Let's say that here's a new book that we've just published, Social Security in 30 Minutes. This is volume 2. Here's volume 1. This is retirement benefits. Let's say that I have this book. This is the Amazon page for it. And basically what I want to do is I want to get a discounted copy of this book to either send to the author, her name is Emily Pogue, or send to myself. Maybe I need some extra copies to hand out at a publicity event. Or maybe somebody else, they need a copy of it for some reason, and I want to send them one. But I don't want to pay the full price. The full price is $12.99. So if I wanted to, I could just buy it directly from Amazon and then send it to myself or send it to Emily or send it to somebody else. But if you are an author, or a publisher of books, you can get discounted copies, basically at cost. Hold on, let me go here, close that page, and I'm going to show you how to order that. So here's the same book, Social Security in 30 Minutes, Volume 1, and you'll see paperback action. So there's two versions of the book. There's the Kindle book, and then there's the paperback book. I want to send a copy of the paperback, paying just the basic, the cost of producing the book. Let's say I want to send it to Emily. I would go to this button, click it. It will ask me how many copies that I want. So let's say that I want to send 2 copies to Emily. Please select a marketplace. Now what this is talking about is Amazon has different marketplaces for different countries. Many people, they just use Amazon.com regardless of where they're located in the world, but there's a German version of Amazon, a Spanish version for Spain, a French version, an Italian version, and then the Amazon UK, which is in English, but it's for the British market. Emily lives in the United States, and I'm going to send her a version for the American marketplace. It'll show you immediately the total cost. $4.30, $2.15 times 2. That's because I've ordered 2 books, so it's going to be $2.15 times 2. If I ordered 3 books, 3 copies of the book, that would update. $2.15 times 3, $6.45. Then you submit the order. So what it does actually is it switches over to Amazon.com, and it basically puts it into your cart, and then you can proceed to checkout, and you can either send it to another person or you can send it to yourself if you're ordering copies for yourself for some reason, and it will be the discounted price. So you can see I'm ordering 3 copies of this. I'm ordering 3 copies of this book for $6.45. If I was paying the regular price, $12.99, this would be $39, a little bit less than $39, like $38.97. So this is a huge savings over what I would normally pay for the book. I should also say that this is cheaper than other POD services that are out there, at least for me, because I publish also using Ingram Spark Lightning Source. This is another service used by Ingram. The price there per book is a lot more per page. I haven't figured out exactly why that is, but usually I'll be paying, instead of $2.15 for a book like this is a 100-page book, 6x9, I'll be paying something like $2.65 or $2.75. So that's a big difference. And if you're ordering lots of copies, I think the Amazon KDP option for author copies is cheaper. One other thing I wanted to say, let's say that instead of just ordering volume 1, I also want to order volume 2 and send it and include it in the order. So let's go back. Whoops. Let's go back to, actually I have to do this. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go back to KDP. So it's kdp.amazon.com. Okay. Back to the bookshelf. Blow it up again. Okay. So I've just sent copies of this book, 3 copies. They're in my cart. I haven't checked it out yet. If I wanted to add more author copies for any of these other books, I could do it just by doing the same thing. So let's do it for volume 2. This is volume 2 of the same book. Order author copies. Press the button. Order quantity. Let's send her 3. Select a marketplace, Amazon.com. You can see it's the same cost because this book is the same size as the other one. Submit order. Okay, now you can see there's actually two different books that I've ordered author copies in the cart, and that you can see it's reflected in the number 6 up here. I can proceed to checkout and complete the order. And this is like using Amazon in any other way. You enter the destination address, and submit your payment information, and you can finish the order. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon services, including KDP, Amazon Advertising, Amazon Advantage, Amazon Seller, Amazon FBA, I have a whole bunch of videos on that. For publishers, I recommend the Amazon Deep Dive, which is available at leanmedia.org/video. You just click on that. I also have some free videos available on my YouTube channel. Just go to the same site, leanmedia.org, click on video. You'll come to this page, and then click on YouTube channel, and you can see more free videos about how to get the most out of various Amazon programs. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.